you a little demonstration on how to construct the circuit inside of a flashlight. In this particular flashlight, it has LEDs. These are the LEDs inside. They're attached to each other to make an electrical circuit on this circuit board here. Now, because you guys will be constructing a circuit board from scratch, I thought I would take this apart for you and have you learn how to solder the LEDs onto the circuit board. So you're going to, this is what one after everything's been taken off looks like. This is what the LED looks like before it's been put into a circuit. As you can see, it has a long end and a short end. This is important to a diode because this indicates the positive and this indicates the negative. On your circuit board, some of your connections are positive and some of them are negative. This outside bit here is the positive, and when you look closely you can see that this hole, and this hole are all positive. Inside the gear is the negative part. You can see that this hole, and so forth is negative. So when you put an LED through, you'll have the positive end going through there, and the negative end, if I can get it, going through there, like so. Another way to for me to demonstrate the positive and negative is by looking just at a connection. So in your battery, you have your positive terminal and your negative terminal, like plus and minus. If you put the plus side to the long part of the LED, and then you connect it with a wire, it'll light up. That's how all diodes work. If you do it the other way, where the negative end is, it won't. So it's really important in your circuit that you put the long part in the positive and the short part in the negative. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to solder your LED to your circuit board. First, in soldering, you want to do this process called tinning your soldering tip. So this is your soldering gun. What you do is you get your solder wire and you let it melt onto the tip. See how it's melting? Then you just take it and you kind of wipe it on a wet or a damp sponge. When your soldering gun has a metallic tip around it, it's been properly tinned. So now you can solder your circuit board. So you're going to poke your LED through. All the way. And then bend it back so it stays in place. You'll have a partner holding it, but I have these clips to help me. You're going to take your soldering wire and your soldering iron, and you're going to hold the iron to your wire and let the solder melt right at that part. You want to get enough so that there's a good connection between your LED and your circuit board. It's like a little blob. And you can do that to the other one as well. So now you can see you've soldered it. Then you'll take your wire cutters and clip the ends of your LED. I'm going to go ahead and take it off so I can clip it low. But now you have your LED, and it's attached, and you can wiggle it and it won't even move. This is what the back of your board looks like with them out, and then this is one already prepared with all the LEDs soldered on. So the finished one has 9 LEDs on it, so you can see. As soon as you're finished, you can give it to me and I will attach this part of the flashlight to your circuit board, and then you'll be able to just put it all back together and have a flashlight to take home. Thank you.